Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss one important problem of mathematics from the topic geometry. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get more important problems of mathematics, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of the video. So how you can get all these questions? You need to visit our website education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academic center. Under academic Shraddha, you need to select math important problems. Okay, friends. One more thing, all these questions are available in the form of video lectures, and you can access these lectures on our YouTube channel, and playlist is titled as Math Important Questions. Okay, friends. So now coming back to the discussion, see one figure is given and we have to find the values of x, y and z. So these are the angles of a triangle and we have to find all these angles. So if we see here, see one by one we will discuss. So here suppose we have named this like AC chord and BD chord. Okay, this chord and this chord, both chords are intersecting at point O. And we know that angles at the circumference subtended by same arc are equal. So if we consider arc CD, this arc, okay, if we consider this arc, then angle subtended by it on the circumference of the circle is DAC and DBC. Okay, means this angle X and 36 degree. And we know that all these two must be equal because angles subtended by the same arc are equal. Therefore, we can write angle DBC equal to angle DAC. Substituting the values, we will get x equal to 36 degree. Okay. So we have got the value of x. Now we have to find the values of y and z. So again, if we see chord AC and chord BD, these two are intersecting at point O, and we know that the pair of vertically opposite angles formed by two intersecting lines are equal. Okay, so here we can say that angle Y will be equal to 84 degree. These two angles are vertically opposite angles, so we can say that Y will be equal to 84 degree. Now we have got the value of x and y in triangle OBC, okay, or BOC, and we have to find the value of z. But we know it is a property of a triangle that all the interior angles will be, all the sum of all the angles will be equal to 180 degree. So we can say that x plus y plus z equal to 180 degree. Substituting the value of x and y as calculated, so we will get 36 degree plus 84 degree plus z equal to 180 degree. Adding 36 and 84, we will get 120 degree. So 120 degree plus z equal to 180 degree. Therefore, we can write z equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. That is subtracting 120 degree from both sides. Therefore, value of z will be 60 degree. Hence, we can sum up our results as x equal to 36 degree, y equal to 84 degree and z equal to 60 degree. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.